In this video I'm going to show you how to edit an Atom RPG saved game file using the online editor at https://atomeditor.azurewebsites.net. Unlike most saved game editors, this editor is web-based and you don't need to download or trust some random exe file from the internet. Additionally, all processing of your saved game is done locally in your browser. None of your data is sent to the server. Editing is pretty straightforward, but we do need to load and save files to the right places. If you haven't backed up your saved game files yet, please see my previous video. Step 1 is to visit atomeditor.azurewebsites.net in a modern browser such as Chrome, Edge or Firefox. Your saved games are stored in a special folder on disk. The location of this folder varies from PC to PC, but this is a trick we can use to find these files easily. Click the %user profile % line and copy the value from the dialog to the clipboard. Close the dialog and click the big selection button at the top of the screen. Paste the magic value from the clipboard into the File Open dialog and press Return. We are now in the Save File directory. Before going further, I recommend adding this folder to the Quick Access list on the left. It will save you from having to remember this location going forward. To do this, right-click and select Pin Current Folder to Quick Access. These are your saved game files. -1 is your autosave, 0 is your quick save, and the remainder are numbered as they are in the UI. A quick way to find your latest save is just to sort by date descending. I'm going to edit my quick save file, so I select the 0 saved game file and click Open. Details of my party are now displayed. The simple editor allows changing of stats, skills and conditions through a simple UI, while the advanced editor allows direct editing of the JSON. If you're interested in the advanced editor, please see the dedicated video. Here you can see your party details and can use the plus and minus buttons to make adjustments. Please note the values you see in the editor are your character's base numbers before any perks, stat bonuses and the like are applied. I've been scum saving in order to pass too many crafting and gambling checks, so I'm going to up those two skills. I'm also going to up my personality, so I don't have to choose between missing out on lore and having a viable combat character. Click Save and Export. If you are using a default installation of Chrome as I am, Chrome won't ask you where to place the saved file. It will automatically put it in your Downloads folder. If you're using Firefox or Edge, or have turned Chrome's Prompt for Download Location feature on, navigate to the Saved Games folder, save the file there, and say yes to the overwrite request. You are then done. Otherwise, click on the download file and select Show in Folder. Right-click on the file and select Cut. Then navigate back to your saved game directory, right-click on an empty area of the screen and select Paste. Say yes to the overwrite prompt. You're done. Launch the game, select your saved game file and enjoy.